Okay, now try. Show the babies. I just got back from a trip of a lifetime in my mind, and I wanted to share with you some of the footage from this last week. So my friend Lisa from Farmhouse on Boone hosted our little blogger YouTuber retreat that we do year after year. It was her turn. We rotate houses. There's 6 of us. And we got to tour her amazing Victorian farmhouse built in the 1800s. I wanted to share it with you because I know you're into these kinds of things too. The other girls who were there were Andrea from Pine and Prospect Home, Sarah from Grace in My Space, Cami from Tidbits, and Lara from Our Oily House. Luke and Lisa have 7 children and they homestead. And what I loved, I think most of all about their house was it was definitely farmhouse, legit, like they milked their cow. They usually are cooking from scratch. I loved how she is a minimalist, but also very beautiful about it. And a lot of times I feel like minimalism just gets really plain and cold feeling, and she kept things very beautiful the whole time. And I was really inspired by that. So her place used to be a bed and breakfast, and it had a couple cottages. One of them they tore down and she put her garden in that space. And then the other one they have renovated. And so I want to show you that first. And then I'll take you into the big house. This used to be a bed and breakfast, and so there's these little cottages. Oh.
Yeah, she had lots of ideas.
Oh my gosh.
It's fun having, because the kids hang out here. Like, it's just another place to go that's not in the house. So. Oh, I love the fireplace. There's no AC. So we have just this little unit up here.
Even a teeny, tiny little bathroom.
But if they're supposed to be like, it's just use overnight. So if you,
her kids just come out here and it's like a dream playhouse, basically, right? I would die if I had this when I was a little girl. The ceilings are probably, how high would you say? 7 feet. Super steep stairs.
So it didn't actually have the shiplifts, so we like put it between each of
They fall down the stairs.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
These are all Brooklyn. All Brooklyn. She painted that.
Painting by Sarah Jo.
From Barton Farm.
Barton Farm.
Yeah.
She does custom paintings.
Yep.
What a fun little house.
Those won't don't film it yet.
I love the green door.
Me too. Which used to be the living room.
So Lisa's office is in all this built-in. She opens it up. Oh, cute. Sorry. Look at that floor. That looks legit. Oh, I love how tall, the tall ceiling. Yeah. Where do you get your artwork, Lisa?
That I found in antique fair or something. I love that.
Oh, beautiful.
Where are we missing? Where's Cami? There they are.
Ooh. Now this, I think, used to be her kind of family room. And that, she added the mantle and the fireplace. And that's a frame TV. Look at that.
An entrance. We think an entrance to the upstairs going this way. We just, it came out.
So charming. I knew I was gonna love it, but it just feels so comfortable and timeless. Love that. This island is amazing. I think she had the countertop built for it, or ordered, you know. She's famous for her sourdough bread. Oh, somebody took a little bite. I love how she takes this room, and she couldn't really figure out what she wanted to do with it. She kind of had it as a family room. It wasn't really working, and so she turned it into a bedroom. Do that when you have a room that's not working for you. Just really think outside of the box with that. And here we have the living room. So there's a second frame TV. Just a little tiny little thing. Yep, with chalk paint, yep. Made her slip covers. I love the pillows. One more treasure. Look at this curved banister. Oh my gracious. This is fun because I have the same East Lake dresser, and she bought the sink, bought the faucet. We have twinners. Oh, washer and dryer. Oh, too cute. Love the old details in the old houses. Cannot be beat. So in between our kind of business discussions and updates on what's going on in the world with business, we would take breaks and go to fun places. So if you're in Missouri, I'm gonna give you 3 places that you have to visit. We also did a lot of antiquing and even went to an awesome thrift store, which I will be showing you in a couple weeks. That's gonna be a separate video. Okay, so I suggest that you go to Long Row Lavender Farm, which I'll show you first here. And then you wanna try Lake Creek Winery. And I didn't have footage of that. I put most of that on my Instagram stories, except for that very first clip of this video where you see Andrea and Lisa and Lara doing this little dance that was at the winery. And then I suggest going to Sunflower Hill Farm. That's a wedding venue. Really great place for lunch too. We found a wedding venue for lunch. I mean, can't top that. We're on our way to the airport. A little bright. Sunflower Hill Farm. So far, I recommend this place. Back patio. So I had a wonderful time just sitting at her famous kitchen island and eating her famous sourdough bread and butter from the cow, and just had a really great time. So thank you, Lisa, for hosting this year. Next year, I believe we're going to be in Utah with Cami from Tidbits. So I hope you enjoyed that little insider peek into her beautiful home. And I will be doing more home tours. I have a bunch more on the calendar for you guys because they are the best, aren't they? All right, if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button so I can send you more videos on how to make interior design easy. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.